Hi class, so for today's lesson in math, we're going to be looking at mass and weight. We are somewhat familiar with these terms, but let's get started. So in the United States, we use these following customary units of weight: ounces, pounds, and tons. Okay? Ounces, pounds, and tons. So let's look at some examples. So a box of cereal can weigh around 24 ounces. Some students can weigh around 98 pounds. And a car might weigh a ton or more. These are just some examples for you to get an idea of how much ounces can weigh, pounds can weigh, and tons can weigh. Then there's another type of units that are used to measure. Sometimes it's pretty much used in food. We have grams, kilograms, and grams. Okay, which grams can convert to kilograms, and we'll look at that in a minute. So some examples of the metric unit are, your textbook has about 1 kilogram, and a dollar bill has a mass of about 1 gram. So it's pretty light. One gram is pretty light. And then here we have some other type of customary measurements that you should be familiar with. 12 inches equal 1 foot. 3 feet equal 1 yard. 5,280 feet equal 1 mile. 1,760 yards equal 1 mile. In regards to weight, 16 ounces equal a pound. 2,000 pounds equal a ton. Capacity, as in fluids and liquids, 128 fluid ounces equal 1 gallon. 2 pints equal 1 quart. 8 pints equal 1 gallon. 4 quarts equal 1 gallon. And then in regards to time, we have 60 seconds equal 1 minute, 60 minutes equal an hour, 24 hours equal a day, 7 days equal a week, 52 weeks equal a year, 12 months equal a year, and 365 days equal a year. But for today, we're mostly going to be looking at weight, okay, with the measurements I discussed earlier, which were ounces, pounds, and tons, and kilograms and grams. Okay, so let's look at this sample question. So Mallory's book weighs about 2 pounds. 2 pounds is how many ounces? So we need to know that we're gonna change one unit to a different unit. It's still going to be the same weight, the same mass, but the numbers are going to change. So we call that converting, and we're going to convert or change pounds to ounces. Okay, and then here I wrote the abbreviation LB to OU, which LB is pounds and OU is ounces. So we learned here that 1 pound is, I had to stop the video because there was a typo. It's at 12, but 1 pound is actually 16 ounces, because that is what the video said. So, I mean, the previous number that was here said. But we have learned that 1 pound is 16 ounces, okay? This means we need to find out how many ounces are in 2 pounds, okay? So we have 2 pounds, we need to find out how many ounces it is. So we take the 2 pounds, multiply by 16 ounces, which 16 ounces is a pound. But we need to find out how many ounces is in 2 pounds. So we multiply 2 times 16, which gives us 36. And the unit that we write is ounces, because the question we have here is asking how many ounces. So we just converted pounds into ounces. So 1 pound is 16 ounces, 2 pounds is 32 ounces. Okay, let's look at other examples. The rhinoceros weighed 3 tons. 3 tons is how many pounds? So, what are we trying to find? We're trying to find pounds because that's what the question is asking. How many pounds? What do we already know? Okay, if you don't remember, you can always come back to the chart here to remember, a ton. Oh, look, there it is, 2,000 pounds. So we know that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So what do I have to do? Multiply the amount of tons the rhinoceros weighs, which is 3, by how much 1 ton equals to. That means I'm going to take the 3 tons of the rhinoceros times the 2,000 pounds, which equals 1 ton, but I have 3, so 3 times 2,000 pounds equals 6,000 pounds. That means this rhinoceros weighs 6,000 pounds. Okay. Next example. Dolores's rabbit has a mass of 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms is how many grams? So, what are we trying to find? Look at the question. How many grams? We're trying to find grams, okay? So what do we know? That 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. The question is telling us the rabbit weighs 4 kilograms, but I need to convert or change the 4 kilograms into grams. So I'm going to take the 4 kilograms right here times the amount 1 kilogram is into grams. So 4 kilograms times 1,000 grams equals 4,000 grams, because that is what I need to find. So Dolores's rabbit weighs how many grams? 4,000 grams. So part of your assignment is going to be to convert different units. Remember, go back to this chart if you need help, and come back to this part, and also this part, just to give you an idea. Okay? But this one's going to be very helpful as well. Mostly this section. Okay? If you have questions, you know where to reach me. Take care.